All right, what up, boss up, baby. We back with another one, another driving app, gig app. You know how we do on this channel, help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. And so if you like that type of content, go and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I've been sitting at about 45,000 subscribers for a while now. I need you guys to hit that subscribe. I know you guys are a bunch of ninja watchers, not hitting that subscribe button, not watching, not hitting the like button, enjoying the content, coming back 3-4 times for different videos, sending me messages saying I love your content, but never reach out, never leave a content. So let me know where you're looking at this from, because that helps me out and gives me good content and help me find apps and opportunities actually in your area. Not all gig apps and not all these driving companies are in your area, but if I know where you are, then I can try to dig and find the ones that'll help you out. So go ahead and comment that down below. Let me know where you watching your boy at. But let's go ahead and get into this gig app. No long intros anymore. We are here to present to you this company called Halltail. Yes, Halltail. That's the old country slang right there. Many you hauling tail, many you hauling you getting up out of there, picking up something, getting it gone. So that's what you're doing, and you hauling tail. And this company offers a courier service. If you need something picked up, you put your address in and then somebody picks it up. But we're here to make money. We got our own vehicle. We know how to move stuff. We're trying to move other people's stuff and get paid. So let's see where exactly these companies are. Location nationwide. Now, just because you not see your location on this map right here does not mean that they're not coming to your location, or they're probably already operating. They just haven't updated their map. Or they could be one of the ones that operate in the pilot program. See, the pilot program, what I've been luckily to be a part of with several other opportunities, reach out saying, hey, I noticed you're not in the Atlanta market. Look, I see right here, they're not actually in the Atlanta market. So I'm going to do that with this company and saying, hey, you're not in the Atlanta market. This is a very good market with a lot of opportunities. Let me be the first one to, test out the app, let you know how many hits I got. I can share data with you, share recommendations on, maybe some headquarters or some things you need to look at and to get set up in this city and state. And I was able to do that for MedZoomer and a couple of other ones, medical courier companies, and it worked out financially gainfully for your boy. All right. So being first in your city can get you paid a lot more. But let's see where they at. We got all the way in Washington, California, Nevada, Arizona, Texas, up in the Midwest, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Kansas City, Memphis, Indiana, Newark, New Jersey, New York, Charlotte, North Carolina, Tallahassee, all the places in Florida. We even got some Alabama on here. Alabama hardly has any opportunities, so good to see Alabama on the map for opportunities that you guys can look at. So I want you guys to definitely take advantage of this. All these places, they even have the actual address of the location. So just in case you can't get a hold of anybody on the app part, you can pull up on them. They have all the locations listed, including their Facebook and their Yelp locations on there. Interesting. All right. So after we do that, we'll come down to the bottom of the screen here and go to driver. You see right here where it says driver down at the bottom of the screen under about. Click on there. Takes us to another screen. Boom. Sign up to be a haul driver. Community based, same day on demand delivery. So you got the app. The app pairs you with the delivery. You get the delivery logistics. And let's see how they pay out. So of course they're not in Georgia, so I haven't been able to do this yet. But I want to bring this opportunity to you guys first before you see all the other content creators online talk about it and say they brought it to you first, but you know who is the boss of them all. All right, so Download the app. Let's see, don't really see a lot of frequently asked questions. Here we go. Like to go to this section. Let's see. Tell me about drivers. All right. Let's get some driver information. How do I sign up? Download the app. Yeah. Very straightforward. Not a lot of information on that one. What is the difference between Haul Tail Driver and a Haul Tail Pro? Okay, we got the Pro. The basic, you only go 20 miles. The Pro, you can do multiple inline deliveries, all longer distances, and all that. So you got to have a DOT certification to do All Tail Pro. What is required to be a driver? You got to be 18 years of older. Of course, you have to have a driver license and insurance. It amazes me how many times I get questions asking, do I need a driver license or do I even need a car to do deliveries? Now, you may not need a car. You can rent one, borrow one, ride a skateboard, bike. But if the delivery requires a vehicle or truck, if it's a large delivery, you definitely need a vehicle, and therefore you definitely need a driver's license. It's amazing that I get those questions, but I get it. People like to try to, get in any way possible. But yes, you will need a driver's license if you planning to do any driving delivery gig. That goes for anything you see on this channel. All right. All right, let's get back to it. And background check. Yeah, it's probably a background check. Yes, initial sign up. Require MVR, and let's see who pays for it. Doesn't say who pays for the background check. No, you do not have to have a truck. You can have a van, SUV, box truck, any type of kind of a larger vehicle, and a motorcycle as well, and regular car. So it's not just for pickup trucks or vans. It's for all vehicles, all size vehicles right here. Do you have your own own a car? You can haul anything. Let's see, any type of equipment. Can I use a rental vehicle? Nope. Well, there you go. You cannot use a rental vehicle, but there's ways around that. Can I rent a trailer to use it for the vehicle? Yes, the trailer is recommended. Let's see. How long does it take to get approved? I get that question all the time. It can take 5 to 10 days. Y'all see that? 5 to 10 days to get approved. Sometimes it can take up to 2 weeks, depending on how backed up where y'all with background checks and everything like that. Completed my application on the mobile app. How do you know they received it? You should get something back in about 5 days, what they're saying. But you can always send an email to support@Halltail to get more information. When do you get jobs? Once the account is active, you start seeing some jobs. Newly established regions can take up to 30 days to populate. So like I said, since you're not in Atlanta, I'm going to reach out, see if I can get the first one to be on board in Atlanta. But it could take up to 30 days because think about it. If you're in a new area, then the customers have to know about the app and sign up on the app and then schedule the app and schedule the delivery. And then they have to be comfortable because if you're new as you're the first person in the area as a customer, I'm probably not going to use the app. Like I'm not going to be the guinea pig to spend my money to pay somebody and they don't show up or they do a half-ass service. We have no referral. So that's kind of a trick with these newer apps and going to the newer areas. It's hard to get the customer base. So if you don't have the customer base, then the drivers have nothing to do. So that's how the drivers get paid, and you won't have any work. So location matters when doing these delivery and driving jobs. If you don't see anything in your area, that means there's not a lot of people in your area that need things moved. How much does Halltail, how much can I make? That's what we want. Mount ranges, keep tips, extra services, demo badge, got your accounts suspended. Okay. 365, 2 days a year. So okay, you see all the information. You see what type of loads you deliver. I'm trying to see what type of pay. But not a lot of information on pay. They do tell you, what you're delivering, how much it is. You get all the payments are up front. So I guess then depending on what you're delivering, it can range anywhere from $25 all the way up to $1,000 if you're doing a vehicle or a very large delivery. And then the amount of delivery is not capped, so you can do a many amount of deliveries as you sign up for. So that's very good. That is very good. Multiple pickups. Yeah, we can add those. Trying to get all the information to you guys as possible. But you see, you can read that yourself. I'm not going to hold you guys up. Just want to bring you guys this new opportunity, Haul Tail Courier. Being a Haul Tail Courier, they got demo bags, landfill, dumps, junk pickup, new purchase pickups. Anything someone needs hauled, they're going to contact you and get it on. So this is just another gig app to add to your arsenal. Do not think of this as a one-size shop. You're going to get paid a full-time income strictly from this one app. Do never think about these gig apps in that way. Never be married to these gig apps. Marrying them all, date them all, get money from them all, and boss up the long way with your boy K. So if you need any additional information, consultations, you want to hit me up on all social media at creditkay.com. If you want to book a consultation, only $50 an hour. We talk about credit, crypto, courier work, whatever you're interested in, we can get into it. Or message me if you got a quick question at Credit K on all social medias. Make sure it's a good question. Say, how do I get started in courier work? I'm going to ignore you. How do I buy a van? I'm going to ignore you. It needs to be a real detailed question, not something very generic where I have to spend, a bulk of my time trying to explain it. But if it's a simple yes or no or a simple one-off question, I don't hesitate to answer that on social media. But if you need more detailed talk, then let's go ahead and book a consultation. Let's talk. Let's spend some time getting to know what your plan is, getting to know what you're trying to do, and then we can map it out and make everything work out for you. No, I do not do consultation. And remember, I am not hiring any delivery drivers this year. I am not hiring. I have not hired any since 2022. So if you get any call, you see anything online saying that I am hiring drivers or I'm doing deliveries or I'm a dispatcher, anything that way, please send me the ad, send me the article, send me that contact information so I can get that scammer shut down, and do not believe it unless it comes directly from my social or it has a little blue icon under, the comment section. And that's really me. Boss up with K or Credit K. All right. All right. Until next time. Later.